The fund actually, over a 2-year period, has really quite, although the holdings have remained steady and the sector positions have remained steady as well, the market itself has really changed over the last 2 years. Shortly after launch, the market changed. Growth in India suddenly became a problem, and therefore a lot of particularly foreign investors were only invested in a couple of sectors. That was IT and healthcare. Those are the, if you like, the export sectors in India. Now we have weightings in those areas, but those were the certainly favoured areas perhaps at the first 6 months of last year. Now the market itself then, as it became more comfortable with the macro outlook globally, and obviously earlier this year, since Modi's been in power, there's been quite a perceptible shift in what the sort of sectors and the stocks which the market has been preferring, and that's certainly helped us, because although we've remained steady over the 2 years, we've not taken massive shifts in either stocks or sectors. We've always been quite well positioned into the domestic economy, as Simon says, into mid-cap stocks where we find great value with great managements as well, companies really well run, and so that's been quite an interesting shift. The market's shifted, the fund has held quite steady. And as we said before, the primary drivers for outperformance are both at a sector level, but probably over the last 5 or 6 months, again, as Simon mentioned earlier, some of our mid-cap names have really started to re-rate. And why is that? Well, of course, we'd say they're good companies, but it's not only that. We've seen quite a shift in domestic Indian institutional money coming back into the market. And generally, domestic institutions in India prefer to buy the mid-cap space as to the higher priced large-cap stocks. So that's really helped our positioning as well more recently.